Hello and welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling stressed because of current market conditions? Are you maybe scared of even venturing into the financial markets or even looking up businesses or stocks that you can invest in? Now, the truth is that you're not alone in this. It's a lot of people are staying out, some are going in, and there is ins and outs, this reason or that reason of either venturing into the financial markets or staying away altogether. Now in this video, we are catering for all those investors that want to venture in but do not know exactly what options lie out there. We're looking at the stock market and looking at sectors that are resilient to changes in economics. All right, you'll find that a lot of economic downturns or upswings, whatever the case might be, have a major impact on the way some of the stocks perform from one period to another. So in the current economic environment, you have heard of fears and rumors of pending recession, and because of that, a lot of people are holding on to their purses and not knowing exactly what to do with their money. We're going to focus on where the smart money is going, and to do that we are going to reveal 6 resilient sectors that you could venture in if you are looking for investment opportunities in such a season as this. This is Friday Money Matters. This Friday and every other Friday on this channel. Thank you for tuning in. Let's jump in. The first sector is tech. Now, we have seen innovations. You've got AI, you've got a lot of innovations coming in. So innovation is king here and is key to opening up opportunities, especially as far as the tech sector is concerned. Now, as the sector grows, also the valuations of businesses in this particular sector is increasing. Now, you won't go wrong, especially if you were to identify some tech giants or tech businesses that are constantly outperforming the market. I don't want to mention any names here, but if you're interested, just leave a comment down below and I'll reach out to you with a specific tech giants that you can easily trust in such an economic environment, because they are known to weather the storm. They're probably going to come out big after all this, and they'll remain strong because innovation is an ongoing thing, and as long as there is innovation, the tech sector benefits the most. Number 2 is healthcare sector. Now the healthcare sector is bouncing back after last year's slump. Now remember that during the pandemic, a lot of tech businesses experienced this surge when the rest of the world was really in a slump. However, after that, things sort of went a little bit quiet in the sector, but currently there is this renewed hope in this sector that things are going to start be on the up and rising as we go into the next economic season. Now, what you need to be focusing on in this sector is you can look at things such as telemedicine, as well as any other biotech related businesses or industries. Biotech is going to be one of those sectors that pushes a growth, especially in this healthcare sector. The third sector to look at will be the discretionary sector. Now we have seen a sort of recovery in this sector, especially if you're looking at things such as e-commerce, home improvements. You'll find that there's actually growth in this particular sector. You can look at businesses such as Alibaba, you can look at Amazon and all these other businesses in this specific sector. Growth is bound to happen in there, and where there is growth, valuations will also increase, and if they do, be part of that particular trend and reap the benefits if you want to venture in there. Okay, number 4 is industrials. Now there is actually hope in this sector because you have seen, especially now that there is an increase a little bit in their rates and stuff like that, you'll find that industrials are going to perform so well. There's a lot of demand for infrastructural development, even just the growth in AI. Even Microsoft want to rekindle one of the power stations there, so which means that industrials are going to face this massive increase, mainly because of growth in other sectors as well, because they will need infrastructure to power them or to build structures that will push or drive this growth in other sectors. So as long as we've got growth in these other sectors, industrials are going to be strong. And moving forward, you can even look at things such as mining and so forth, especially with the weakened currencies. You find that other industrials, metals, gold and so forth are going to see this increase. If you are maybe comparing currencies to metals, you're bound to see quite a good increase in their valuations as we move forward. So meaning that all the businesses that are in the mining sector, in the industrial sector, therefore are bound to see a very good valuations as we move forward into the new economic period. Number 5 is the communication sector. Now we know that communications is the one that is powering almost everything. I mean, people are online, there are streaming services, there is day-to-day communication of businesses, as well as communication in households, individuals. Therefore, the communication sector is at the center or at the core of all the industrial activity that is happening across the globe. You have seen previously the growth of 5G and it's spreading, and as it spreads, new opportunities are arising. As they arise, therefore valuations will increase because demand continues to increase in this particular sector. Demand for streaming, demand for a faster internet services and connections, demand for a faster gadgets and so forth. Therefore, we are bound to see a growth in this particular sector, and please consider it if you're looking for investment opportunities. The 6th one is real estate investment trust, which are in short REITs. Now, especially now with the decrease in interest rates, we are bound to see an increase in demand for housing, in demand for land. However, what that means is that as there is a demand in increase for that because of cheaper funding, it also means that real estate investment trusts are going to see this massive increase. The increase is going to be very real, especially in this sector. There's going to be an increase in investment opportunities depending on whichever level you are entering in as an investor. There are bound to be quite a number of those opportunities, and please make sure that you research and find out exactly what's in store for you. Now, it goes without saying that for you to make very significant growth and expansion in this kind of period, I will emphasize that you need to do your research. Make sure that you're diligent with your research. Go and look at these sectors and any other sectors, and also make sure that you get all the financial information, previous financial performance, expectation, forecast, and so forth for you to make that particular decision. And don't forget also to contact a registered financial services provider, a broker, or someone who is registered to deal with investments on the stock market or on a level that is more suitable to you, so that you can get the right kind of information to make the decisions that will be profitable to you. Remember what we always say on Friday Money Matters, that the one that has got the latest valuable information that is verifiable is the one who will make the most valuable investment and get the best investment opportunities in any investment or economic period. Make sure you get the right information for your investment decisions. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. This is Friday Money Matters. Don't forget to like the video, share, as well as subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.